I dey hungry. Amaechi na 60 years old liar. Wike. Welcome country people to Sinok Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Make you put on your notification button so you go get notice once we drop update. Make you like, comment and share our video. Country people, tori enter say the former governor of Rivers State and former minister for transportation during the reign of ex-president Muhammadu Buhari, Rotimi Amaechi, celebrate his 60th birthday, and for that birthday celebration, he come tell Nigerians and the world say he dey hungry. That talk he dey hungry, e come bring plenty reactions from politicians and non-politicians. Everybody come dey read meaning to wetin e mean by e dey hungry. Some read am to mean say things for Nigeria don bad. That na why hunger dey the land. Na make am dey complain say e dey hungry. Others dey see am say na hunger for political power, because that celebration e come be like where opposition people gather to take plan how dem go take remove President Tinubu from office through the next election. Na so the tori come waka round, and now President Tinubu man Friday, when he be arch rival of Rotimi Amaechi, the minister for the Federal Capital Territory, Nyesom Wike, he don respond to wetin Amaechi talk. The honourable minister, for a monthly press briefing when he hold on Monday, he don talk say Rotimi Amaechi e no know wetin e dey talk. He say if not, as somebody when he don spend 60 years on Mother Earth, he don decide to tell lies on the day when they dey celebrate him birthday. He say e dey unfortunate say the man choose him birthday celebration to take tell lies to Nigerians say him dey hungry. He say make we tell ourselves the truth. Rotimi Amaechi na speaker from 1999 to 2007, and if anybody know, he say na him be the most pampered speaker for Nigeria. He say while he be speaker, he dey read law for London. He say he come become governor 2007 to 2015. He say he still dey read law for London. 8 years as speaker, Rivers State House of Assembly. 8 years as governor of Rivers State. He say he never talk about hunger. He come become minister from 2015 to 2023. 8 years as a super minister. He say where in dey borrow money from banks and loans here and there, he not talk about hunger. He say 2 years, only 2 years when he don leave power, now he don form coalition, and now you say you dey hungry. He say na hungry for power na he dey do am, and that na failure on him part. He say how you go bring up the issue of hunger and poverty? He say why Amaechi dey insult the intelligence of Nigeria? Why he go do that? He say you join Atiku, you join El-Rufai because you dey hungry. He say no be Nigerians in dey insult so. He say imagine, because you no go fit stay out of power, you dey talk of hunger. He say how can a man when he don dey power since 1999 till 2023 come stand before Nigerians one man when he preside over trillions of naira, na the same man on national television when he tell Nigerians say he not like money. Meanwhile, dollar dey show and you dey tell Nigerians say you not like money. Una dey say the man dey influential. He say where the influence dey? He say Nigerians too dey overrate people. He say make him talk one thing. Amaechi na governor for 2015, yet he no fit produce a successor. Amaechi na minister for 2019, yet he no fit give him candidate Muhammadu Buhari common 25%. Na sitting minister for 2019. No sitting president dey move with soldiers the way he come with soldiers. He say he go produce governor. He no even fit produce a candidate. Again for 2019, na DG of campaign. Buhari no make 25%. In 2023, he come say okay, he go support Atiku. Thank God we no support PDP. If we support PDP and Atiku win, he for take the glory. But they fail. They no even fit make 10%. So which type of influence in talk say in get? Country people, vintage Wike, once he talk, una know say he go make news. Country people now they react to wetin Wike talk. I can say some dey say Rotimi not try. He say he deserve good knock. He say make he come remove Tinubu now. Whether he think say Tinubu na Jonathan. He say now all this talk when they talk for him birthday, na so they conspire against Jonathan when he be certain president. He say another certain president don't come now. Na the same pattern. He say but they don't know wetin people know now. He say wetin people know, they don't know. Another person come talk. Say well, that na Wike for you. He say but Wike make more sense. He say Wike make more sense for this thing when he talk. He say Amaechi hunger na for power, not be food, because he don't make money well. All these plenty years when he don dey for political leadership. So not be food dey hungry am. That when he say I dey hungry, na a symbolic way of saying he wan enter leadership again. He say dem no dey tire. They recycle them because they believe say they born them to rule. And when they rule finish, their children go come continue. Some other persons come dey say na Wike dey in charge now. And say Wike as power dey sweet am. And so in dey talk am. Well, how una see this Amaechi talk? And Wike now don respond. Amaechi true. Wetin be im political value for Rivers State and even for the country when in dey believe say they go fit unseat the president? Na be the hunger when he say he dey do am. Country people, how una see this talk when Wike don respond to Amaechi?